Now my second question on rectification of entry. Sales of old car credited to sales account. And you can see that I have to plot a right entry, then what the wrong entry was done, then the reverse of the wrong entry, and then the rectified entry. Okay, so sales of old car means cash account debit to car, cash is coming in. So cash account debit. What is going out? The assert is going out. Assert's name is car. So to car. But what did I do? I by mistake wrote it as cash account debit. Cash is coming in. That part was correct. But then to sales account always has to be credited. So instead of an assert, I mark here as sales to sales account. Now the reverse entry of this, sales account debit to cash account. I have reversed it, and now I will rectify it by cancelling cash in debit, cash in credit, nullifies the effect, can be cancelled. So my entry will be, rectified entry will be sales account debit. I pick up sales from here, sales account debit to car. And also understand it logically that sales account was actually credited when it should not have been so. So to nullify this effect, I am debiting sales account, and car account should have been credited because car has moved out of the business, and when any assert moves out of the business, asserts generally have a debit balance, but when they go out, you have to credit it. To bring the value down, you have to credit it. So to car, here I bring to car. So your final entry is sales account debit to car account.